Alright guys, we're back and yeah, I woke up like an hour ago and got into the pool. Yeah, I had some breakfast. We got these like mini donut things, they were pretty good, but we're probably not gonna do what we were planning to do because we just can't. We were gonna do like a sea turtle snorkel thing, but the guy wouldn't text us back. So we're gonna get some like artifacts from here and go to some super nice beaches, so that'll be fun. So I'll see you when something interesting happens. Alright guys, so now we're on a hayride. We got out of the ocean and yeah, I'll show you behind us.
Look at him flipping his little thing at you. What was that? More chicken? Oh, those are stuff here.
What's this, Mom? Oh, he won't take it. He's full.
They're not gonna go away.
They will. They're scared. Alright guys, the go-kart was super cool. I thought we were gonna get a photo, but we didn't. But hey, we're gonna get some now. We got Spider-Man, bro. They got big, long frogs. We got a shark. Awesome. We'll do a massive slide and found out they got a voice box in them. This one doesn't work. Alright, so we're looking at some stuff. I found this. It's strange. I gotta say, but these sunglasses are kinda cool. We got these fish. On the plushies over there. We got a ton of keychains. I forgot what they were called for a second. I don't know why. There was a Squid Game one up here. Right there. Alright, so now I'm gonna see what else they got. So I'm not gonna get anything here because it's like overpriced. I'll find something else somewhere else. So yeah.